I'll let you fly when we get in the air, okay?
Okay.
Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Your first time in the front seat? Yeah. It's going to be fun. Are you going to be a pilot?
Yep.
Yeah.
A princess pilot.
A princess pilot, okay. All right, baby, here we go, okay? You ready?
Okay, we're gonna go up into the sky.
All right, okay, be quiet while I take off. Okay, go the other way, go the other way. Whoa, good job. Is that fun?
We're not doing hula hoop.
You want to do a loop?
No.
No, you want to go upside down?
No.
No, okay. No hula hoops, got it. Okay, let Daddy fly now.
Okay.
All right, good job. Good job, high five. Good job. You having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Whoa, take it easy, Turbo. Whoa, where are you going?
I'm turning around.
You're a crazy pilot. Where do you want to go?
To the North Pole.
You want to fly over the North Pole?
Yeah.
I think it'd be cold up there. Oh, we could go fly up and see Santa.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Whoa.
Where are they?
I see an airplane over here.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Good job. Good eye. Good job. Okay, well, he's out of there.
That's an airplane, the white one.
Yeah. Which way are you taking us? Over there?
Taking us over here.
Oh, take it easy now. Take it easy. You're a good pilot, Emmy. Just like your brother. Where are you taking us, girl?
I'm taking us over a safe.
Over where?
Yeah.
I'm not flying. Okay, come the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Look at. Good job. No hands. Emmy's flying. Whoa. Okay, don't break the airplane. Emmy Lou?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to be an astronaut?
Yeah.
Or are you going to be a fighter pilot?
I'm gonna be a star when I grow up.
A star?
Yeah. Know what star is?
Yeah,
It's a princess.
Oh, a princess. You're going to be a princess. You're going to be a princess pilot, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And I'm gonna be a star too.
Okay. Are you looking out the window for other airplanes? Okay, Emma, you did a good job, but it's time for Daddy to fly, okay?
But I'm gonna still fly.
I know.
I'm gonna fly like you.
You do? You want to fly like me? All right, but I need to land the airplane. Are you going to land the airplane or am I? No, I think you better let me do this one. No, I think you can do the next one, okay? Quarter lane air traffic, Navy on 40 kilos, turn in. Final for runway 2, quarter lane. All right, you see the runway? You see it out in front of us, Emmy? We're going to land on it. Oh boy, here we go.
Here we go. I'll get your wallet for you.
That was a good one. That was a good one. I'm proud of you. You did a good job, baby.
Let's go again.
All right, we'll go again. Traffic. Good job, Em. High five.
Keep going.
Good job.